All right, good evening and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is Wednesday, the midweek, the midweek, and we have the CBI data at 8:30 today. So we have a huge move today. You can catch either in the long side or in the short side. You can catch either move. So give an opportunity to do both. And it's not really a high resistant liquidity run and not neither low resistant liquidity run also. So it's kind of in the middle right there. It's a very unique day today. But we'll learn the huge lesson for today related to the real breakout, right? The real breakout is one of the hardest one to formulate or to generalize the pattern. Reversal is the most easy one, but real breakout, which is mean that trend continuation, the next leg down, next leg up, it very very hard. But today it present a very good use case for us to study about trend continuation right there. Anyway, we have one more a huge event, economic event tomorrow is PPI data. Right? It's similar like CPI, but this one for the producer is in the supply side, and CPI is consumer, which is on the demand side. And in the economic macro, you need both for the economy to work. You need demand and supply. So that's basic economic 101 right there. If you take that course in college, you should aware of that. All right, we are in week 46. All right, 6 more weeks, and we're gonna close down the year 2024. So basically, we are in this week right here. Yep, and the rest of the month we're gonna looking for the GDP data and also the PCA data. So the PCI data is for today, CPI. And we look for the release in November 27, and this one in is the also 27. Wow. Wow, both of them, GDP data and PCA data. Wow. Normally rate release not on the same. Wow, but for this circle, for this month, they release both at the same on Wednesday. Very interesting. Okay. That's we haven't aware. All right, that's it for the economics event. Okay, now let's go to the charts. Okay. Okay, let's look the pattern for today. Right, here's the pattern we have for today. Here's right up we have, this is the month we have last month, October 10th. You see that the 9:30 is really a huge U swing, right? Not at 9:30, but 8:30 when the CPI data release, but it swing down. You see this swing down? And it rate the PM, right? And then we see that this is at 9:30, that candle right there. It try to make a second leg down, and 9:45 is about to make it, but it flipped right there. So basically, it's a very high resistant liquidity run, but today it's much better. But you see the pattern right here. When you see it's break the level, right? The level right here is 58.24. you can see the similar story happen today. So you set 8:30, right? You have 1, 2, 3. So 3 candle is set up a second leg down. Basically, you break, test from below, and then you reverse, and then second leg down. Is a real break right there happen at 9:30. But today, similar happen. All right, let's look at our write up for today. All right, where's our write up for today? Is right here. So we put everything together. So if you look at the 9:30, you see the huge swing right there, right? Huge swing, and then you see the retracement right here. Then around 9:30 right there, we have 2 possibilities. We're gonna have retracement and right here, just retracement, and then the next is gonna be expansion, which is next leg up. Or the second scenario is the retracement gonna become a reversal, which is a next leg down. Basically, it's the first leg down and it's the next leg down. Then we're gonna aim for the low of the 8:30 candle range right there. The 2 possibilities. And we have to wait for the 9:30 formation so we can see. And here's what we see at the 9:30. You see, it's similar like last month, but the time a little bit different. So you see that the 8:30, you have expansion and then you have retracement right here. And we want to watch to see if this retracement gonna become right here. Is this retracement gonna become a reversal, which is the next leg down, or gonna be a expansion? And we see right there. So the very first thing, you have expansion at 8:30 right there when the CPI data release. That's the expansion move right there. And right after that, you have a retracement, which is the first leg down at 0845, which is a huge down move. So whenever we see the huge down move, always anticipate a second leg down. Don't go in and go long. Don't go in and go long. Just wait. Wait for the 9:30 formation, and the 9:30 can tell us a lot. Right, the 9:30 can tell us whether it's gonna be expansion or it's gonna be a reversal, which is the next leg down. And the 9:30 tell us right there. As soon as 9:30 close this level, 60, 1725 right there, you see the formation right there. Basically, is a real breakout at that level. Basically, you have what? Break, test from below, and break, test from below, reverse, and then break free right there. So that's the real breakout pattern. You have 4 steps right there. Okay, break, test from below. In this time, take twice. Then it's reverse, right? It's reverse, and then the second. Oh, it should be number 4, not number 2. So it's 4 steps right there, which break, the real break happen. Or if you look at, you look from the 4 breakout, you can see right here, test from below, break and reverse. That is tied to reversal right there. Yeah, either way. So if you look the either way, if you test from below, break and reverse, that is a type 2 reversal. So it's a 4 breakout. At this level, also is also a real breakout at that level, or you can see the 4 breakout. Either way, depend on how we look at that. All right, we just add our write up right there, so it give us both perspective. It depends on how we look, but we prefer the first one. It's a real breakout right there because you see the first is the first leg down right there, and this one is the setup for the next leg down. So it's a real breakout the level. However, if you want to look at the reversal only, then you can see that is the type 2 reversal, which is you have test from below, break and reverse. That's type 2 reversal. Yeah, here's our playbook to trade the reversal. Right, because we always have two scenarios: reversal or gonna be trend continuation. So you're gonna follow the trend or you're gonna go against the trends. So in this case, we trade the reversal, and in the reversal, which is a form of 4 breakout, we have two types. One is type 1 and type 2. The type 2 is the one we're talking about right there. So for the short setup, you have test from below, break and reverse. If you test more than one time, then the reverse gonna be very explosive. So if we look right here, we can see both, right? First, if we just strictly follow our playbook, you can see that it tests from below right here twice, break and reverse. That's the type 2 reversal right there. But if you look from a real breakout, because this is the first break right there, that is the first leg down, and then you anticipate it's gonna be a next leg down because the first leg down very huge. So basically this retracement going to turn into a reversal right here. Then you have 4 steps. You have break, test from below, you reverse that, and then you have break. That is a different way to look at this right there. So it will less confuse it right there. Yeah, so the whole thing for today that we need to understand the liquidity run, the draw on liquidity. Basically, you have expansion, retracement, and this retracement turn into a reversal. Beautiful. It rate this huge London low right there. It did not rate the New York PM. It just stopped right there. And then you have a huge reversal move right there, and from here you're gonna have beautiful setup right here also at 2 p.m. you have a 4 breakout reversal type 1. You're gonna see it in here. We did not include right here. Okay, we did not include it right here, but we do have that setup. If you recognize that, you see that is breaks test from above and reverse right there. I think we do have a screenshot. Yeah, we have this screenshot, but we forgot to include into that stack right there. So basically right here, you see that you have a break it, all right, and test from above right there. The level is 60, 30, 25. So it's a reversal type 1 right there. And this candle is at 2 p.m., 14 hour right there. So you have break, test from above, and reverse, which is exactly our playbook specified for us for the type 1 reversal right here. Breaks, test from above and reverse. Right, the best is you have a down close candle, but in this case it's up close candle. It's still work 5 right there. Yes, and then you have a reversal go right there. Yeah, we mixed this trade because for some reason we run out of energy. We don't have much patience left because we have a huge run right here. we set our target up here and it didn't reach that, so it kind of bothers us a little bit, and then we did engage this trade. That is one of the lessons we need to learn. Regardless how we feel, as long as the setup is formation, then we have to take the trade. It's like you do a mental weightlifting, right? Every time you sit there up to do it, so you can strengthen our muscle memory right there. All right, now let's get into the trade that we took to see, what lesson we learned. All right, before we go to the trade, we just update our write-up right there. Basically, we update, there is setup right here at 9:45, which is the next leg down right there. So if we look from this angle, it's gonna be a 4 breakout. So you have test from below, break and reverse. That's it should be 4 breakout, not real breakout. Okay, we need to fix that. All right, finally we fix it. So it's a 4 breakout if we look at this angle. But if we look at this angle, it will be a real breakout. Basically, this move is the first leg. So it's break, it tests from below, it reverse, and then it's break, which is the real break right there. That's basically why we call it real breakout. So depending on the angle you look, it's gonna be real breakout, 4 breakout. Either way, we still have a setup, but you have an overlap right there. That's the beautiful. That's a very high quality or high property setup right there. At 8:45. Let's look at the tape to see how the 8:45 come out. So you see right here the huge expansion at 8:30 when the CPI data release, and you see this Dow move very huge, but it's not, maybe it's more than half. And then we look at the at 9 o'clock, we feel like, maybe it's just a retracement. So we get full right there. We didn't think that it's gonna be a next leg down, because we see that it really full right there. But you're gonna see that it really retrace right there. Boom, you see that? Yes, it flipped back and forth right there, and that should indicate to us that, all right, get ready for the next leg down. All right, if this retracement just small right here, and then continue consolidation, then when the 9:30 coming, it will be expansion, right? It's either expansion or it's gonna be reverse. But before 9:30, the big move already made, then we have to wait for 9:30. That is the rule of thumb right there. Wait for the 9:30. And then take the trade. And another thing that when you see this move right here, then get ready for the second leg down right there. You see that it's about to move down and it flip, and it gives us a fall flag right there. 4 hopes that it's just retracement, it's gonna expansion. I think we took the trade long right there also. That is one of the mistakes we make. We will show you when we show the recording when we took the trade. So you see that if you miss, let's say you make the short right here, and when you see this test from above, you can still go in and short right there. Yeah, short, boom. Yes. Then who taught right here? I think we make a, yes. So right here we make a little bit error right there. We formal, we chase right here. Instead of right here, we chase down here. We thought that it gonna break down this high time frame level, but it did not. It just break the London low. That's it. That's amazing right there. So we learned a huge lesson right there. I mean, let's see the trade that we take. Let's take a look at the trade that we took. So yes, it's still the 930 still 830 still formation, and then it go into, yeah, we're thinking about chase right there, but a little bit chicken nugget. It will chase, it will rip right there. We it's okay. And now go to this one. Yeah, we did short them. You see that we did short them. Perfect, because we know the expansion is gonna be retracement, and yes, we add a little bit, and then we take out the profits right away. We're a little bit chicken nugget. We should let it run a little bit more, but it's okay. You see that we should let the short run right there. Oh, sorry, that's the first trade we take right there, the short trade. All right, let's see other trade we took. Okay, so right here we're gonna see that. All right, so you have expansion and retracement, and whether it's gonna be, yes. So our mistake, we go long right away right here, because we thought that it's gonna retracement, and you know what, it's gonna expansion, but not. Yes, we make an error right there. So you see that the minute we go in at 930, you see that at 930, yeah, we're gonna 932. We got stop out right away. I think we should be patient and wait after the first try. But we make mistake. Well, after it flipped, we thought, oh, now go long again, and you see that we add 10 contract. But the minute, but if we take the profit rate, that should be okay. We're thinking about that, but the minute we fail to do that, it flipped on it right away. You see that? It flipped on it right away, and we didn't go and short them at all. Okay, and we go long right here. It's so crazy. I don't think we know what we do right there. I don't know why we go long right there, and then we chase all kind of long short right here. We go long right here. That's perfect. Okay, you go long right there. That's fine. But when it flip, we turn to short, and all right. So perfect trade right here. We go long. Okay, and we put in the stop loss at there. And we aim right there, perfect. It's gonna hit that level, but I think we make an error right here. Yes, so the error is right here, my friend. So it's a perfect short long right here, 60.0150. So where is the 60.0150? Right there. So 50, yeah, 50.0150. I think it did come back a little bit, and we get a little bit rattled, so we got stopped out. See right there, let it run, but this guy kind of retrace a little bit. It rattled us. We get nervous, and because we have a big loss right there, so it really negative impact our emotion. But we need to learn to remain, calm and unbothered or unconcerned. Just follow the setup. Forget about the last trade. Yeah, right here we make mistake. You see, we move our we tighten our stop loss. That's a huge mistake. It will leave there. It will run up all the way of 60.30, right? Yeah, hit the line level, right? It hit right there. It come out and hit at 12. We should hit our target right there. But you know what? We make the mistake right here. We tighten our stop loss too soon. We get rattled. We have to grow our tolerance. You see that? And then we stop out. Can you believe that? And then after that, it go back to it's supposed to. But anyway, after we see that, we go in long again, and we let it run. Oh, make mistake right here also. Wow. And we let it run, and we move, run right there. Right, I think we did move our targets. Let's go to the next video. The video is got split, so let's see. Okay, so right there it goes to 8, right? I think we move our, it looks scary, right? But it's okay. We move our all the way to 40, but it failed to hit that. It never hit to go to 40. See that? Is did not, the high hit is 60.35. Yes, 60.35. Yeah, so at high hit 60.35, which is 10,000 right there, it never hit there. So as soon as we saw right here, it doesn't look. You see right there, this go to expansion, but it flipped. I believe so. It's flipped. I think it's 12, 11:30. I think 11:30. Let's go to the next video, next recording. So right there, okay, so we can continue to stay in the trade, but you see right there, man, who thought that right there? Okay, so stop right there. You see, we thought that it's gonna expansion. You see the exactly at the 1:30 p.m. You see that candle, but if we look back, you see this right there. Go look in the charts, we can have an idea. So you have a 1:30 right here, right? And then you have a break test from above and reverse right there. I think we do have that set up. We do have that right up. Is this one? Yes, so right here. See that? That is at 2 p.m. So it's break test from above and reverse right there. And it did go any further, and oh yeah, this one, yes. So this one really forward right there at you know, at 13, 45, right? 47 into minute. We thought they're gonna break that level, but it actually formed a short setup right there. You see that at that level, right? It breaks test from above right there, and it's gonna reverse. Yeah, you really see that? Oh, we thought that, wow, it's gonna expansion. That's what we thought right there. But we forgot that that is where exactly the short setup formation form right there. So after we wait, you see that? Yes. Test from below right there. Okay, so at that moment we thought, oh wow, it's test from below, so it may go up, but actually it's test from above also. Exactly that where at 10, I mean not 10, 14, which is 2 p.m. is a short setup coming. And by the way, we did get out. As soon as we saw that, we get out. But we don't bother to go short. You know why? Because we run out of energy, we run out of patience, we run out of tolerance. We say, forgot about it. take a loss for today. I'm not gonna go in a short, even though the short setup right there. So that the huge lesson we need to learn that regardless how we feel, how the last trade turn out, if the setup show up, just take the trade. If you don't want to go 10 contract, just go with one contract, because that is the weight lifting for our mental right there. When you see setup, just take it. Otherwise, you're not gonna exercise your muscle memory, and boom, you see that it's gonna come down. Yeah, you look at the charts, it come down from there at the 2 right there. It come down more than 3R. Let's say you go in at this level, right? This level right there. It come down, yeah, more than 3R. Right, 15.3R right there. Yeah, so that's the huge lesson we learned. Regardless of the outcome of the previous trade, forgot about it. Just forget, reset, refocus, and the setup show up, right? The setup show up right here. So you have break, test from above. You see this kind of flip above and reverse. Don't thinking about because it still test from below, so it's gonna be a upside. No, look at the outside right here also. This is the key level right there. You see that? It set the range for the whole day right there at CPI at 8:30 right there. All right, I think we run out of time. We thank you for your time and interest. We always grateful for the opportunity. We do what we love, and success is coming our way day by day, little by little. We getting better and better. Have a great night, and see you tomorrow.